Hello everybody, Floppy Hat Photos back here again for our vlog a day, and today was a beautiful day, Mother's Day. Gorgeous weather, temperature was great, and thought it was a great time to run down to a little restaurant called the Camelot. It's just a little, I don't know, greasy spoon diner type place. Very cheap. I think the most expensive thing on the menu is like $16, and that's like a T-bone steak and sides of salad and soup and everything else and stuff. So we ended up having, Karen had the special, which was 2 eggs, 2 bacon, 2 pancakes for $4. I had the biscuits and gravy, full order for $4. So definitely a very cheap place. Some place I think that if we were looking to make a weekly breakfast type place and without breaking the bank, want to go someplace every week kind of deal, probably hit there because it's just very simple food, very good food, and very very cheap prices. I mean, $4 for breakfast is insanely awesome. So not the cleanest place around. Definitely could use some updating on some materials. Lots of duct tape on the bench seats and that kind of thing. But overall, the place is just great service. It was super busy, packed out the. We had to wait for a table, which is not their thing. But it is Sunday with the flea market going on, so it's going to be probably their busiest day they ever have. And then that. So went ahead. The waitress was great. Fast, prompt service. We weren't sure we wanted to have you. It's the first time ever being there and whatnot. So it kind of took us a couple minutes longer than I think she's used to, because she came by 3 times. Third time we were finally ready, but she had this look like, what the hell? Almost like she never realized that people could be there for the first time again. So it was kind of funny. But we got our stuff. Super friendly. Went ahead. The biscuits and gravy were more of a southern grits type flavoring, like that lardy type flavor, not that spicier sausage biscuit gravy that I like so much more. And one of the reasons I like Hardee's, if you guys ever had like Hardee's or Carl's Jr.'s biscuits and gravy, that's more the type of gravy I would prefer. A little bit spicier. Theirs is not the best by any means, but it gives you an idea. And then you have other places that have more of that lardy type, fattier tasting, and this was unfortunately the letter of the two. So definitely, I was able to eat it. It wasn't that bad, but it was definitely not something I'll ever order there again. So I will try out other foods there if we ever go back, but stay away from biscuits and gravy personally. But if you're into that, less spicy, a little more floury flavoring, kind of a dollar flavor, then knock yourself out with it. So I was able to doctor it up with a little bit of salt and a whole bunch of peppers, able to make it edible, and it worked out fine. But the staff and it's just, that's the style of gravy. It's not like it's necessarily wasn't a good gravy, it just wasn't my style. So we went ahead and got in and out of there. Service was great. They took the plate away fast, the whole 9 yards. Brought the check, promptly. All those good fun things that I like in a restaurant. So that's all I got for right now. I will talk to you all soon. Have yourself a safe, wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and be sure and get out there and try new restaurants. We eat this. No reason keeping the same 7 restaurants your whole damn life. Go out and find yourself some new gems and some new awful places as well. So always fun to find new experiences. So talk to you then. Thanks for watching.